Why odd smell from PERC dry clean machine? Solvent emission for several reasons. First, closing or sealing is not good. Second, during drying, gas of solvent expands. In limited space, the gasified solvent emit through weak sealing. During cooling, emission contract and may get sucked back into the machine. Bad design on pressure balance. Then how KRN solve the problem? The system including air duct, solvent tank, drum, and button trap are well balanced. The gasified solvent will always within the machine. It can run like in a circle. No leakage. To PERC machine. Solvent emission control is important. And regarding sealings, all KRN uses fluorine rubber. Why all are fluorine rubber? Our machine body adopts spray treatment. Ordinary rubber can't withstand the processing. In this case, fluorine rubber sealing is prerequisite. If not, after spray treatment, sealings will be all damaged. It is assured that sealings on KRN machine are all fluorine rubber. High quality fluorine rubber sealings. 3 PCS for solvent tanks. The porthole. 3 PCS fluorine rubber sealings. Loading door sealing. There are 2 PCS. And on the main shaft, there are grease fluorine rubber seals, such as inner seal, mid seal and outer seal, and seal on contamination discharge door, lint collector, button trap. All sealings are fluorine rubber. And also on flange connectors. Sealings are fluorine rubber. So our machines' RE tightness are well guaranteed.